Hello everyone, I am Katarina. Welcome to my channel Walking on the Little Catholic Way. And today is the feast day of one of our most beloved saints, Saint Faustina Kowalska, who had the vision of our Lord Jesus Christ. And he told her that he has infinite divine mercy upon everyone who seeks for this infinite divine mercy. And please, every day, but especially today, pray the Divine Mercy Chaplet for your beloved ones and for yourself. And especially to remember that our Lord has infinite divine mercy